How to change age on Duolingo account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change age on Duolingo. To do so, first of all, you need to open your Duolingo application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. And once you reach to this interface, here at the central button, you'll find your profile icon. Tap on this profile icon and you will reach to this page. Here you need to tap on the settings icon at the top right. In this account section, you'll not be able to see the specific option to change age on Duolingo. However, you can request to Duolingo to change your age. For that, from this page, you need to scroll down and find this help center. Once you tap on this help center, you will be redirected to the website. And once you're on this website of Duolingo, here you will see this FAQ or the frequently asked questions. You need to scroll down and at the very bottom you will see Submit Bug Report. Tap on this button and here you need to describe your issue. In the first box, enter your email address and the subject. You can write Change My Age. In this description box, you need to enter your correct age clearly so that Duolingo can change your age to this. After entering the description, select the type of issue. Tap on the box and here tap on the bug. And if you have any screenshot of it, you can add that file with it by tapping on this Add File. Now after doing that, tap on the Submit button at the very bottom and the request will be submitted successfully. Now you just need to wait for the message from Duolingo and then you will be able to change your age on Duolingo account. So by following these steps, you should be able to change your age on Duolingo. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.